As a parent, we always want our children to be smart, intelligent, genius, and practical. Hello, mommies and daddies. Welcome back to my channel, Mom and Baby. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, or if you are watching me for the first time, I would like to highly request you to join our Mom and Baby family by subscribing our channel. Before we get actually started, let's do something different today. I will say a sentence and I will follow that sentence, and you as audience, please also follow me with the same sentence. So are you ready? Let's go ahead. Touch your nose. Thank you for participating with me with this video. I'm sure whoever have followed me in this sentence, most of you have touched your forehead. Even though I clearly said nose, means action speaks louder than word. I am sharing this thing with you today because in order to bring our child to be smarter, intelligent, genius, and practical, we tend to spend quite a lot of time and money in buying expensive books, toys, and even taking our children to the different classes. But we often tend to forget or overlook the practical aspect of our day-to-day life. No matter how old your child is, try to explain them in a full sentence. You can even start from the day your baby was born. I tried to describe everything that I was doing with my child, whether changing nappies or taking her out or feeding her with a formula or solid food. Whatever I was doing with my child, I was telling her everything in details because I believe as a parents, you are your children's first idol. And of course, we all know home is the first school for any of the children. And your children are constantly learning from you, whatever you are doing. Sometimes, without knowing, you say something to your children, but the children do the same thing in a different way. Unknowingly, they are just copying you as well, because children are very smart in copying the things. So, whatever you do at home or office or in front of your children, try to think in a mind that your children is watching at you and then they are going to copy you in future. So no matter whatever you are doing, try to be kind of practical, as we all know that practical education is most important than the theoretical one. And your children, being one of the citizens of this world, they are going to do the same thing that we do in our life. In this video, I'm going to share with you some of my experience, and to my surprising, my child did in a very I don't know what to say, very professional way, because I used to tell her everything whatever I used to do in first place, and to my surprising, I never knew that she was like taking everything in her brain in a way that I was performing. Once what happened is that whenever we came home from outside, I used to keep my shoes, my baby shoes, directly into the shoes rack. But one day I was in a rush to go to the toilet, so I left my shoes outside of the shoes rack. To my surprising,
my 13-month-old baby kept my slipper in the shoes rack where I normally used to keep. And not only this, she also closed the shoes rack door properly and clapped her hands to praise herself, because whenever she does any good thing, we always appreciate her by clapping our hands and saying, "Well done." So she did the same thing as you can see in the video. Whenever my husband changed our little baby's dress, he used to keep her dirty clothes directly in the washing machine. Once, my husband forgot to keep her dirty clothes in the washing machine and left on the sofa. So my baby took her dirty clothes and put in the washing machine and closed the door properly, as you can see in the video. I know these are very basic and simple things, but every little helps. These are just examples that I wanted to share with you. There are so many things that we can teach our children at any time from our day-to-day activities.
my golden tips to you today is Try to be practical even in front of your children. Doesn't matter the age of your children is. As you are the idol for your children, they are constantly watching and learning from you. So no matter whatever you are doing, try to explain everything properly so that they will understand, and if they have any question they will ask you. So try to be kind of friendly with your children as well, so that they will be able to express their feelings. Or when we get appreciation from anyone, we feel so encouraged to do the work. So try to appreciate your child whenever your child does any good thing. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel, because I believe sharing is caring. Until we meet in our next video, take care and bye bye.